Hi, I'm Carleigh Patnode, and I'm the newest personal trainer here at the Houstonian Club.
I'm Zane. I'm a Houstonian Club personal trainer. I have 3 pillars that I carry with myself for all of my clients. Those are going to be pulling, rotating, and single leg movements.
I've been in the health and fitness industry for almost a decade, and in that time, I've had such a diverse career path.
So the main reason that pulling is my first pillar with clients is because of COVID. A lot of us are working at desks, a lot of us are at computers all day, and so our shoulders are rounding, our posture's getting really bad. So regardless of what you do for work, we're going to be doing a lot of pulling.
From working with athletes to improve strength and stamina, to helping individuals overcome pain, improve movement patterns, and improve their quality of life.
So for single leg movements, my experience with college basketball really showed me the benefits of those across all demographics. And again, since we sit at chairs all day, our hips get real tight. So single leg movements are great movements to help open up those hips.
During my workouts, I'm always communicating with my clients on why we're doing a movement and how it will benefit them in the future.
And lastly, rotating. Obliques are a muscle group I've seen across all my clients that's very underdeveloped. So we're doing a lot of medicine ball work, a lot of band work, and a lot of cable work to target those obliques and make sure those are strong.
If you're here at the Houstonian Club and you're looking for a personal trainer that's gonna have you work hard, improve strength, all while having fun, then I'm your gal.
So if you want to do a whole lot of pulling, posture correction, if you want to lose weight, or if you like to move pain-free, come train with me.